Hi, in this video, we will explore the popular OKX crypto platform, diving into its various features. I will guide OKX beginners through a tutorial, providing a basic introduction to OKX and walk you through fundamental steps like creating an OKX account, completing verifications, and demonstrating how to deposit, trade, and withdraw from the platforms. Established in 2017, OKX is the third largest global crypto exchange for spot trading, as indicated here. Its services extend to over 200 countries globally, offering a diverse range of trading products, such as margin, options, and futures, also known as perpetual swans, and spot tradings, all with remarkably low fees. Notably, OKX provides a demo trading account. Scroll down here, where users can practice trading with virtual funds, eliminating the risk for losing real money. Beyond traditional trading, OKX users can leverage the platform for skating and earning interest through crypto launch. Earnings can be generated by lending coins, making simply earns just like the regular deposits, engaging in structured products like structured financial management, utilizing a variety of derivative combinations, or participants in on-chain earns, where users' assets on the exchange are employed in decentralized trade for mining. Additionally, OKX ensure convenience by offering not only web platforms, but also mobile app for both Android and iOS devices. The platform introduced its utility tokens, OKB, launched in early 2018, and can be used to settle trading fees and pay for specific services on the platform. So you can access OKB price here. OKB, the virtual currency native to the OKX platforms, functions similarly to brokerage stocks like Money or China Galaxy Security stocks. In the dynamic crypto space, continuous improvement is crucial. OKX is committed to this by evolving and introducing new features. They aim to become a comprehensive crypto ecosystem established by the OKX Web3 wallets. This innovative addition provides a multi-chain self-custody wallet, an NFT marketplace, a decentralized exchange, and a DApp ecosystem. So, given a range of features on the OKX platform, we won't be able to cover everything in this video. Instead, we will focus on guide you through the initial step to get started on the exchange, including depositing, creating basic buys or sales orders with markets or limit orders, and finally, withdrawing from the platform. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, you will need to sign up for an account. Registering with OKX is a breeze. Here is OKX website. Click on sign up. You can just simply provide your email address, but you still got a lot of options to sign up, like Google, Apple, Telegram, and wallets. So for this time, I will just type in my email address. And under the referral code, if you are interested in a sweet 20% commission kickback rate, just type in FEEBACK on the screen now as your referral code. Just click on sign up now. Then you will receive a verification code. Just type in the code you receive in your email. And also, you need to verify your phone. Just type in your phone number. And also, type in the verification code you receive in your phone. Then now you will need to select a country or region of residence. I will choose China here. Click on privacy policy. Click on next. And now you need to create a password. Please remember follow the requirement on the screen. So now you can see that your account is created, but in order to access most financial products, you will need to complete a verification process. You can find the verification section here, but you can also find this under the verification tab, accessible through a drop-down from your profile icon here. So there are 3 verification levels, and the level 1 allows you to withdraw 200 Bitcoin daily, which is perfect for most beginners. So let me guide you through the identity verification process. Click on verified now, do the individual verification, and follow the instruction on the screen, and choose your ID tab. I will choose national ID card. Click on next. So for this process, even you do it on your computer, but you still need to complete your verification through the OKX app. So you can scan the QR code now by your phone or by your iPad. So now when you scan your QR code, you need to follow the instruction on the screen. So click on start verification and just follow the instruction like upload the front of your national ID card. Click on next. And now you will need a liveness check.
眨下眼，左右摇头。
So now you will see that your identity already verifies, which means you already complete your identity verification. When you finish verification process on your mobile, you will see that your identity is already verified now. So back to your profile. Before you start lending funds, I highly recommend setting a security on your account. Clicking on security sessions, you can setting up with two-factor authentications. You can also opt for one-time codes using Google Authenticator or receive them via SMS. So here is Google Authenticator. Additionally, linking your mobile phone may be necessary for certain services such as buying crypto. You may also need to set a trading password for depositing and withdrawing your crypto securely. With OKX, you will need to own some cryptocurrency before diving into trading. If you haven't got any yet, they offer convenient ways to buy directly on their site under Buy Crypto option, link on Spread Buy. Here, you can buy using various currencies like British pounds, euros, and US dollars. Specifically for British pounds, you can acquire crypto through bank transfer, Revolut, and Wise. So once your payment is confirmed, your cryptocurrency will seamlessly transfer to your OK account. Alternatively, if you already possess some crypto, you can deposit it onto the platform. Navigate to Assess and select Deposits and choose the crypto you want to deposit from the drop down. In my case, it is going to be USDT. Then the system will prompt you to pick the network for your deposit. Please ensure you are sending the correct type of crypto to the right address. For example, if you are sending Bitcoin to a USDT address, resulting in the loss of your crypto, the same applies if you are sending crypto on the wrong network. Then click on Next. You will need to continue selecting where you want your funds deposited, either with your funding or trading account. Opted for the trading account today. Then you will be given an address to send your crypto, which you can copy by clicking on the right-hand side. Alternatively, you can scan a QR code with a mobile device. If you are sending from the wallet, sending to this address. If it is from another exchange or platform, you may need to withdraw. Although the wording differs, the process remains the same. For first-time address senders, if you are feeling a bit nervous, considering sending a test amount first to ensure correctness. If you are sending some USDT now on the KTC network for trading, and you will see an email notification once the deposit is completed. So if you are not quite ready to dip into your own funds, OKX has got you covered with a demo trading account. So click on here. It allows you to explore and practice without spending your own money. It's a fantastic option to test out strategies. Once you've either made a purchase or deposited funds, you can find all your history under Assess section. Click on My Assess. Here is your overview, so you are all set to start trading. So let's navigate to markets now. Under the Discover section, click on Markets. Since I'm more interested in USDT, I'm checking out the USDT markets. So just take a look at extensive rates of trading pair available, giving you plenty of options to trade from and to. So now let's key on trades. At the top of the screen, you will find a few options here. You can simply convert from one crypto to another. So for example, you can transforming your Bitcoin to USDT, but please keep in mind, this may not be the cheapest way to trade your crypto. Then there are basic trade like spot and margin trades. For this beginner's guides, we will skip margin trading as it is a bit more advanced. So what we are focusing on here is basic trading. Guide us to the main trading screen, click on spot. Initially, it displays the trading pair we are examining, essentially indicate which crypto we are trading. For example, if you have USDT and wanted to trade it for Bitcoin, you just select BTC and USDT. So it then presents the current Bitcoin price in US dollars along with 24 hours low, high, and volume. And also you can view like 24-hour transaction amount here. Yeah, remember click on this button. Additionally, you can customize the layout of the trading page that suit your comfort level. So in the center, there is a chart that you can adjust over different time periods like 1 hour, 4 hour, etc. So on the right, the order book displays the sales order in red, and buy order in green, accompanied by a session for placing order with limit, market, and TPSL, which is taker profits and stop loss orders. So the type of order you choose influence the fees on OKX. A market order involves placing your order at the current market price, categorizing you as a takers of the market since you are taking the current market price. So taken fees can begin as low as 0.07%, so potentially decreasing further when holding OKB tokens and trading in large values. So in this case, as a takers, I will be incurring 0.1% fees to execute a market order. You can either input the amount you want to spend or use the slider to select a percentage of your portfolio, then proceed to place your order. So now with a limit order, you get to set the price at which you want to buy or sell your crypto, which is particularly handy if you are not in a hurry. By placing a buy or sell order above or below the current market price, you are considered as a maker of the market. As a market maker, you pay lower fees, and in this instance, it is 0.08 instead of 0.1. To initiate a buy limit order, enter the price at which you want to buy crypto. In my case, I will set it lower than the current market buy price to ensure the best deal. Then input the amount you want to spend and choose to buy Bitcoin, for example. After that, you will be prompted to confirm your order to ensure accuracy. Click on Confirm Now. Once placed, your order will be marked as open and can be found below in the Open Order section. When the market hits your specific price, the order will be completed and you will have successfully acquired your crypto. However, if the market takes an unfavorable turn or if you realize a mistake while an order is still open and unfilled, you can cancel your orders and give it another shot. Finally, let's talk about TPSL, take profit, stop loss order sessions. As mentioned here, your stop order may not get triggered due to sudden market fluctuation, price or position limits, insufficient margins, non-tradable contracts, or system error. Click on OKX. After triggering, a stop order transforms into a limit or market order. While waiting for execution, any unfilled limits or market orders will display in your list of open orders. For instance, a stop market order can be configured to specify that when the market reaches a certain value, you can express your desire to buy or sell your crypto at the current market price at the moment. Once your order is completed, it will show up in your order history. Then it will examine the details, will review when it was filled, the amount, the price we defined, the values, and whether it is a maker or taker ordered. Then the associated fee is indicated. After purchasing Bitcoin, it will appear in your asset section. Click on Assets, My Assets, and specifically under your trading account. So what you choose to do with your crypto is entirely up to you. You can opt to buy and hold it for the long term, transferring it to the hardware wallet if you prefer. Another option is to earn interest through OKX on earn programs, which is simple earns. Click on growth sessions, and under growth session, there is a simple earn. Click here. So in here, where you can currently earn up to 10% on your USDT or 5% on your Bitcoin. So if you wish to withdraw your crypto from the platform, navigate to Assets at the top of the screen and select Withdraw. From here, you can withdraw your crypto to your desired address. In this example, I will guide you through the process of withdrawing Bitcoin. After selecting Bitcoin as my crypto, you will need to choose a withdrawal method as indicated here, ensuring you selected Bitcoin as the network on the platform you are sending your funds to. Otherwise, there is a risk of losing your crypto. Click on Next. So at this stage, you will need to copy either your receipt address for your wallet or the deposit address for the site platform you are sending your crypto to. So in this case, my one is my address on Binance wallet. Be sure to verify that you've selected the correct crypto and the network. So paste the address into the designated fields and then just type in the specific withdrawal amount. And please keep in mind that fees varies based on the crypto you are withdrawing. For example, it is 0.00009 network fees for transferring 0.001 Bitcoin. When you're ready, just simply choose to continue. So selling your crypto with OKX, follow the same process as buying, just in reverse. Choose the amount you want to buy and just click on sell Bitcoin. But it is worth noting that OKX doesn't have a free markets. We can see here. which means you can't use a basic coin to sell your crypto for currencies like British pound or euro. However, if you urgently need cash for your crypto, you can utilize the buy crypto option on the top of the screen. Here, click on Spread Bytes. And here you can sell your crypto for free currency. You can then transfer the funds back to your bank account, but please keep in mind that you will need to move your funds from your trading account to your funding account first. And you may also need to have your phone linked to facilitate the selling process. So that concludes my beginner guide to OKX. As mentioned, OKX offers more than just trading, exploring features like OKX Web3 wallet for managing decentralized finance, engaging in NFT trading, and make use of their earnings and launch products, which I can cover in a separate tutorial if you are interested.